Hello beautiful people, on today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing of everything that I got on Amazon Prime Day, so let's go. So I got a mix of a few things. Some things I had in my cart for a while, other things that I saw I could wear for things coming up, so let's get into it. First things first, this top. Looking at it now, I am not really sure how this is going to go. It's probably going to be a return, but you never know, I might be surprised. This I believe is in an extra small. Comes in a ton of colors, and I just thought it'd be a really good piece for dressing up or dressing down, so hopefully this one works out. We'll see. The skirt. I saw a lot of people style similar pieces in really cute ways with a graphic tee, with a tank top, cardigan, a lot of options for this one, and it's very flowy, so I thought it'd be great for the summer or the end of the summer, or even looking into next year. So this skirt, it is a size extra small and also came in a ton of colors. Okay, this tube top, it's made out of like a silk-like material. I got it in, I believe, a small. It came in other colors as well. It does have this sticky, or not even sticky, but this material that'll help the top hopefully stay on. I'm not sure how I'm going to feel about it. It does look a little bit more flowy than it did online. Online it looked a little bit more like the top would lay more straight, and this just looks flowy based on the cinching in the back. But again, you never know, so this is the next piece. When it comes to Levi's, only some pairs work for me. The style, I have a very weird relationship with Levi's. I love the jeans that I do have, but when it comes to shorts, I never really found a style that fit me within the size that I am. I did a whole video on this last spring, I believe, and I just tried on a bunch of different shorts. Some worked out, some didn't. Ultimately, I didn't love anything, so I didn't keep any. But the jeans that I do have, I wear them all the time. They are my favorites. I will link them in the description below. They're also on my storefront for Amazon. This is the Icon skirt. I got it in a size 24 based on the size that I do wear for the jeans that I absolutely love from them. So try this one. Lately, I've really been into accessories, especially earrings that are chunky but not so chunky that they weigh down my ear. I also have been really into two-tone jewelry just because I primarily, or I would say actually always, wear gold, and silver is something that I would love to incorporate, especially with some belts that I have or bags I have that are silver. So I got these earrings. I have a similar pair. These that I have there are gold. They did not last a long time. This is a different brand, so hopefully this will work out. And they do not feel heavy, or as heavy as I thought they would be, so this is great. I don't know if I talked about this on here, but when it comes to sunglasses, it's very hard for me to find a pair I absolutely love. I have a weird face. I don't know how to explain it, but it's just really hard for me to find a pair of sunglasses. So I haven't really bought a pair that I absolutely loved in a long time. I've been seeing these all over. Figured I'd give them a try, especially when they're on sale. They are like a round frame. I have something similar and I don't wear them as much, but I thought these are a little bit different than those. And these are like a brown with a brown shade as well. Just try them on now. Let's just see. You look in the mirror. I don't know. I don't know if I love them. I typically wear my glasses like here, or wherever they're supposed to lay, and I feel like this just absolutely does not look right. When I put them like here, I think this looks better, but I think overall, I'm not really sure about the shape. Let me know what you think, but if I don't love them, I'm gonna return them, so I think I'm on the side of not loving them, so there's that. I also got this bean necklace. Hopefully you can see this bean necklace. I've been seeing this trend a lot, and I just wanted to give it a go, especially during Amazon Prime Day. So this is this necklace. I'm not sure how I feel about it. I think it looked better online than it does now, and I feel like it might not last. So this is unsure about this one, but that's the next thing I got. Okay, the last thing is this bag charm. I've been seeing bag charms trending a lot. I don't really want to put a stuffed animal on bags. I think that they are cute and some people love them, and that's, your thing. Totally okay. I think for me though, I would like more of a charm, and that's why I picked this. So I'm gonna see if I can find a bag and I'll show you what this looks like, but this is the last thing I got. Alright, so just ignore the shoes. We are not focusing on that right now. Maybe here, I'll stand like this. Maybe that's a little bit better. The shirt, it fits. I'm just a little scared. It is a little loose, especially in the back, right here. It's very comfortable, I will say. I was a little bit surprised. I thought it'd be like a little bit itchy, but it's actually not at all. But overall, if everything works out and I keep it, it is a really cute piece to have. I can wear this as the cardigan, I can wear it as is, all of those things. The skirt, on the other hand, I think is just a little too big. I think it's an absolute no. I kind of wish that it keeps riding up to be like this, and if it's like that, it's way too big. But then if I pull it down, technically it fits, but when I walk around, it doesn't stay put. The wash is really cute. I just don't think it's worth keeping if it's not staying the way that I would like, but I think it is overall a really cute skirt, and if Levi's skirts do work out for you, this could be a great piece for you to have. The skirt, again, ignoring the shoes, the skirt is actually really cute. I don't think I'd pair it with this top, definitely, like I said, a graphic tee or something else. The top is very surprising. I think it fits better than I would like, but this part right here just needs to be a little bit tighter. So it's a halter top, so see, goes like that. It just needs to be a little bit tighter for me to feel like this is comfortable and everything's great. It's just a little bit loose. And so I think the top I'm gonna return. It does come in other colors, so I think if you're maybe a little bit taller, that would definitely work out. But the skirt, definitely gonna keep, size extra small. It's just a cute one to have. It fits great, and I feel like I can style it in so many different ways. So that's that. This is the first bag I could grab, so just ignore that it's silver, but I would obviously pair this with a bag that has some gold metal on it, but you would just stick it on here. Look how cute that is. It's just like a little extra little something. But yeah, that's the bag charm. And that was everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. A little bit disappointed how some things just didn't work out, but that's okay. That's why we try these things on. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. No pressure, but like, subscribe, comment below, and any questions, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. And I hope you have a great day or week or, whenever you're watching this. I will see you next time. Bye!